Just sent us a mysterious letter.
Oh my gosh, what was it?
It says Grace, and it's crossed out Avery. I'm gonna. You're
Stupid.
I don't know.
What's in it?
Something in it?
Nope. No.
Okay.
You want to see what you
Now,
flies?
okay. Now I'll show you our new bird. His name's Leni. Let's go to discover.
Stupid. Dark down here. It smells like farts.
Okay. Just so you guys know, I painted this.
Where's Leni?
He's right in that little.
Thingamajig.
Say hi, birdie. Come here. Jump. Jump.
I'm going to attack you. Come here. Come on, bird. I said bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Look at all of this.
There he is.
Hi, Leni.
He's a white-bellied kike.
Such a good boy.
Don't eat that. No.
Boy.
Want to see something really cute?
What?
Okay. Get on this. Stubborn.
Those skinny jeans? Yeah.
Okay,
Skinny.
watch this.
She's wearing skinny jeans. She's like, no, these aren't skinny jeans.
Okay, watch. Look. He's ticklish. Ow! He bit me. Ah!
Okay, let's put him back.
Bird feather that he lost.
I actually found this.
His cage is a freaking mess.
I dedicate this to my classmates.
For you guys who don't know me, I'm Avery, and I'm awesome. This is my bird, Leni. Say hi, Leni.
Show yourself. You have to show yourself.
Shut
He craps every 5 to 10 minutes.
See? We really didn't need to know that. Okay, put him back. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Avery, come on. We can't
We
base this.
really have a
Go in here, Nina. Here, I'll show you a detour of his cage.
No.
Sure. Look at his little house.
That's where he sleeps.
He sleeps on his back. And look at that crusty bottom of his cage.
Ew. I don't really want to see that.
Okay. We'll have another episode of Leni soon, but now let's go upstairs. Grace, don't follow us or I'll punch your eye out. Okay, keep going. Smack that booty. Just kidding. I didn't smack your butt.
This is Grace's room.
Man, tell me we're talking for a reason.
I know.
I got this room when I was like 5. Okay.
Bye, guys.
No.
No bongos.
No.
Please.
Just for a round now.